now, folks. Driving in the Range Rover again, and she's just had a new diff put in her, so hopefully no more dramas. The old girl's giving us a bit of a scare, but she's back on the road, and this is the very first drive that I've had with the machine on a very wet day. And yeah, we'll see. Hopefully no more dramas. It's making all the right noises and doing all the right things at the moment, so yeah, let's hope that it continues that way. And there she is, folks. She's back on the road, the old Range Rover P38. I noticed that the temperature gauge is not working. It was supposed to be working, but we'll get it back sorted soon. And 4.6 litre Rover motor, and it's great to have the old girl back. I'll need to clean her up. She's absolutely filthy, dirty, dusty from sitting in the workshop, but it's good to have her back, and life is good. The things we do. The old P38 Range Rover, and heading up north to pick up another Range Rover for spare parts. If you've been watching my channel, you would know that I've only just got this Range Rover back on the road after it blew a diff, which incidentally happened after a truck hit me. But I was actually towing a trailer, and it hit the trailer, and trailer bounced off and wasn't damaged at all. But the jolt through the steering was very significant and actually broke the front diff. And I'm heading to get another parts car today, so stay tuned for a short adventure, hopefully ending well, and the Rangey will live again. Yeah, I've got to owe a friend a diff. He gave me a diff to use on my car, and I've got to replace it. So stay tuned, we'll be heading up to get the car today. Off we go on the adventure. And before anyone hassles me about driving with the phone, yes I am. But we're on private property at the moment, so yeah, rebel yell. Heading up to pick up a Range Rover. I've got a big day ahead, and hope to come back in one piece back to Coffs Harbour with the Range Rover, and use it for spare parts. I've got a number of things I need on this car, so I'll look to use it, and I do owe a friend a diff, as I said previously. So yeah, the things we do to keep British cars on the road. I've got a Range Rover P38A 4.6 litre, and this one has the Mondials and is actually an autobiography model. Seems a shame to wreck it, but the amount of work that you would put into this would be over the top, but it will save other cars. Now I'll just have to load it. Okay, so here I am. I've made it as far as the Gold Coast with this P38A. Very straight car, lots of good parts on it, but I've had a hell of a day. Absolute hell of a day. It's loaded up. It was loaded up with parts, the whole car, and as soon as I'd get over 60 kilometres an hour, the tail would wag on the trailer, and it was really, really off-putting. So in this immense heat, and the air conditioning isn't working on my Rangey, I've moved things around. I've pulled an engine block out of the back seat, and and of the parts car, and I've moved it onto the front seat and a crank and various other things. And after stopping 3 or 4 times, I've now got it that I can drive about 80 kilometers an hour. So I'm doing that in an immense heat, and I'm stopping every 45 minutes to regenerate and have some water, but it's slow going. But yeah, I'm pleased to see that it's got a brand new tail light, because recently I backed into a bin that I didn't know was there, and that will be perfect for my car. So that's good news. Lots of good parts on it. I love these Mondial mags, really hard to find, and very straight panels, and a lot of good interior trim and everything, as well as the 4.6 motor. So yeah, it'll do its job quite well, but I've got to get home first, and that's a challenge. I've made it as far as the Sunshine Coast to the Gold Coast, and a bit of a way to go yet. G'day folks, Stoo from Stoo's Secret Stash here again, and thank you for watching my film. Just a quick bit of encouragement, I guess you could say. I'd love you to join. If you like what I'm doing, please like and subscribe. It's completely free of charge. You will never get charged any money, and by doing that, you're helping my cause and joining our family as I go around and do a lot more films of the adventures that I go on. So I'd love to have you on board on Stoo's Secret Stash. All you have to do is subscribe, and a like would be a good encouragement also. So hope to see you on board soon. Thanks a lot. Cheers. Bye.